Welcome back. This is part 2 of the two others. I actually really like this series. You guys can go ahead and skip this part. But I actually really liked this series. So I thought I wanted to do a part 2 because most of my videos I do not do part 2s. Don't know why. But this one I really wanted to do one and I was bored, so why not? It's yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay, cars. Oh my god. I can't even get over your look how pretty you are. Thanks, bro. Okay, am I the only one that doesn't have blonde hair here? Kind of. Well, okay, even though we're siblings, it doesn't matter. Let's just go. You guys dyed your hair. So did I. Who cares? Let's just go. Should we go to our friend's house today? What friend? Oh. I'll show you when we get to school. Okay. Oh, we need to pick up, we need to pick up the package Mom left for us at the mail place. Just don't mention Mom. I know she passed away a year ago. Oh no. Just don't mention her. Yeah. Okay, guys, sorry. Guys, we're here. We're in line, I guess. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. We open it here, just go. Let's go. Okay. I know I'm a little bit sad, but it's okay. Let's go. Guys, I think we're here. Guys, I left my phone here for when you guys can hear. So, let's go. There's 2 phones. I know you should open it. We all know you have one. Oh, that's just so nothing. Why did Mom leave that for us? This one's supposed to be. I guess I'm loading number 1. Handball. Ha, got it. Score! Nice, I don't care. Let's go. Ow! Guys, any angle you can score it. Not any angle, angles. Guys, we're here. This place is really weird, but that note had a clue on it. The box, it had a clue. Behind the books, find a note. What does that mean? What books? I don't see any books. Behind the books, find a note. Will be written. Nice to know. Wait, that doesn't really lie. The thing said. I'll go look over here. No. Let me go. Ooh, I found something, guys. It says to Jake, Alex, and maybe from Mom. Dear kids, I want you to know that I'll always be deep in your heart and keep me in there for all times. And pick yourself when you fall, pick yourself up. And Jake, this one's for you. I'll always love you deep in my heart, even though your sisters are kind of rude to you a lot. Alex, I'm sorry you had that name. I don't think you like it. You have sort of a boy name, but also a girl name. And make sure don't talk to strangers, have fun at school, and Amelie, the youngest. I'll always love you, even though you're the youngest. I know you didn't get as much attention. I'm sorry about that. And I'm sorry that your siblings are always very mean to you. And I'm sorry that you always have to pay all the bills. I'm very sorry. Love, kids. Guys, that note was so sad. I know. That last part made me really upset. Oh, it's okay, don't cry. I'll pay the bills from now on. No, I will. No, I will. Guys, stop fighting. Okay. Anyways, we're at an arcade. Let's play. Who else can go first? Well, I'm with Pete. I want red. And then you go first. Guys, I never really know how to play. Hit. Green. What was I supposed to do? Good job. Well, I want to play something else that we know how to play. Like this. Here, guys. Ready? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Guys, we could start a band. Guys, tell me if you can hear anything. Because I for real don't hear nothing. Guys, we really could start a band. Hey, I'm some guy. Stop it. Let's go. Yeah. I'm supposed to meet my girlfriend here. Yes, baby. Hey. Hey, what is that guy crying for? I don't know. Ma'am, are you okay? No, I lost my dog. Wait. This reward is so much money. Hi, this is my dog. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? The reward is $5,000. Guys, pretend that says actually 50,000. It's $50,000 if you find her. Oh my. Ma'am, we're gonna help you. We're gonna search everywhere for her. We promise. Thank you. Nope. No. Is she in the water? No. Don't look this way. No, nothing. Nothing so far. I think we should just maybe try looking in the bushes. Look, we can make nothing. Oh gee, we we found her. What cute. Man, we found her. Okay, Ashley, so much. We're so happy that we found her for you. Oh. Here's some money. We're rich! Sis, we're rich! We're rich! What? How? We found the missing dog! Wait, was it rich? Can I have some of the money? Yeah, bro. Thanks. Now I got $1,000, baby. Get the money. Guys, if you guys want a part, sorry, like and subscribe.